Hello everyone, welcome to English Grammar. The topic we are going to discuss today is articles, indefinite and definite. There are two kinds of articles in English. We start from indefinite article. There are two of them, a and n. We use a when our word starts from a consonant, and n when our word starts from a vowel. But be attentive. For example, the word an hour. The word hour starts from the consonant letter H, but there is no sound h here. We pronounced hour, so the first sound is vowel sound. That's why we use article an. An hour, an honest man, an honorable idea. The same situation with the article a. We use it if the word starts from the consonant, but for example, the word one, it is a vowel letter, but it is a consonant sound. One sound w. That's why we say a one-eyed dog, a European, a united front, a university, and so on. Some time ago, articles a and n were the word one. That's why we use this indefinite article only before the nouns that are singular or that are in a singular form, mind it. And our variants of usage this article. The first one, we use this article when mentioning something for the first time. I went for a movie. We hear the word movie for the first time in our story. When talking about something which belongs to a set of the same thing, this is a pen. It is one pen from million pens in the world, and it doesn't matter what pen I need. When talking about someone who belongs to a certain group, for example, group of professions, she is an engineer. Before the names of professions, we always use indefinite article a or n. When talking about a certain kind of a thing, I have made a great movie. When wanting to say that someone is a certain kind of person, when we describe a person or when we describe an object, we also use article a. She is a shy girl. It is a nice pen, and so on. Also, I want to add that article a and n we always use after the word have, verb have. I have a dog. Nevertheless, I've got a definite dog. After the word have got, I use a. I have a dog. And when we got a structure there is, we also use article a. In spite of the fact that we are going to speak about the definite objects around us, but after the structure there is, we always use a. Mind it, please. And one more, when we want to express our emotions and say "Яка прекрасна дівчина" in the phrases "what a", we say "what a wonderful, what a beautiful girl", "what a nice girl". After in these expressions, we use article a. What a nice girl. Mind it. The second article is article there. The name of this article, definite article. So it means that article there we use in front of the words, objects, things that are famous or popular or known to each of the speaker. Article there can be used in front of the nouns in a singular form or in a plural form. When do we use article there? Look, we use article there over here before the names of rivers, oceans, and seas. The Ganges, the Indian Ocean, the River Dnieper. Before the points on the globe, the equator, the South Pole, the North Pole. When we speak about things that are unique in this world, that are the only ones in this world. We use article there before the geographical areas like the Southeast, the Asia Pacific. also use article there before the names of the deserts, forests, and gulfs. The Kalahari Desert, the Sundarbans. And mind, we use article there before the group of islands, before the group of mountains like the Carpathians, the Hawaiian, we use article there. We don't use any article at all before the names of most countries and territories: India, Brazil, Canada, Ukraine, Germany, France, and others. But we use article there before the names of the countries that are plural. For example, the Netherlands, the Dominican Republic, the Philippines, the United States, the United Kingdom. We don't use any article before the names of cities, towns, or states, and before the personal names of people: Toronto, Delhi, São Paulo. We don't use any articles before the names of streets: Park Avenue, Ushakov Street, Callowhill Drive. Before the names of lakes and bays: Lake Michigan, Lake Ontario. But we say the Great Lakes, we use article there here because Great Lakes, this geographical feature, consists of 5 lakes. Before the names of mountain, for example, name Everest, Mount Everest, Mount Fuji. These are mountains, but not the group of mountains. Before the names of the continents: Asia, Europe. Before the names of islands: Easter Island, Maui, Key West, and so on. We don't use any articles. So mind our rules and be more English. Thank you for your attention.